Grabber, it's time for stew. Never. Why? I said never. Grabber, let's go to school. No, you horrible piece of shit. What did you call me? Nothing. I thought I heard the S-H-I-T. Horrible piece of shit. Ow! God damn. You have to slam me in the shitty floor? Okay, enough of that. You are just like T-Rex. Ow, ow. Okay, I'm not gonna spank you. Spanky, spank. Ow, what are you gonna do? Stay right there. So you don't want to go to school, huh? Well, I'm done with this foolishness. It's cold down there. This is how I get my anger. Let me just turn it off. Damn, it's cold. No. The heater will be up to 76 is fine. Oh my god, it's too cold. I can't go to school today in cold weather. Everybody goes to school in cold weather. Even little kids. Duh. Little kids. Like first graders, fifth, whatever. They're big now. But still, I'm gonna kill you. Actually, I'm not gonna kill you. I'm gonna force you. I hate school. I hate school. No. I wish it was Thanksgiving. Now it's not. Wait, why is there C's on the calendar? Oh no, that's for Luigi. Somebody marked that. Oh my god. Today is Friday. Next week is Thanksgiving, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's not Thanksgiving. It's not until probably 6 days. 6 days? I can't wait that long. Oh man. I see Wednesday is the last day before the break starts. By the way, so you have 5 days. 5 days? Yes. Now you need to do some pushes. I can't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, let's go. Now you're gonna do some. Now you're gonna watch this fast. What? 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 Yeah, watch this stupid fast. Why would I want to do that? How ridiculous. I don't care. That's it, no. Now you're touching the Xbox. Don't hit it. Okay, no, you're not touching no Xbox. I thought that was a game. What's this? Ew, it's Luigi Mansion. It's colored in green. Bleh, who did this? I'm just gonna slide it under here. Hey, nobody will find it now. See you next time. Idiot. I never want to babysit you again. By the way, you weren't gonna go to school. I tricked you. I was babysitting you. No, I'm big enough now. No, you're not. Ow. 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 Alright. I'll see you until December. This is going to be the last one. Because I'm getting a new phone. And I'll make more. No, you're not in charge of this. Shut up. Ow.